Welcome, my dear friends. This is Chandrasekhar. Latest job updates for freshers and experienced professionals. Jobs in Gulf countries. Good opportunity. Don't miss the chance. All positions are available as well. Good jobs opportunities in India. Let us start. Hi, greetings from Ambe International. We have openings for our precious client in Oman. It is a long term job and they have openings for QC Inspector Electrical and QC Inspector Mechanical position. Only shortlisted candidates interview will be done. Candidates should have experience in oil and gas, petrochemical refinery plants. Interested candidates, please send your resume on Vinayak IP at indianpersonal.com. Please check job description and provide below details as early as possible. Post applied, current company, current salary, expected salary, current location, IP ID for interview purpose, total years of experience, relevant experience in quality control for oil and gas, petrochemical refinery, Gulf experience, notice period, job description, QC Inspector Electrical, salary USD 2322 per month. In India's salary in India nearly 1,60,000 per month. Diploma in electrical engineer major, certificate related to electrical discipline, company experience certificate, minimum 5 years inspection experience in oil, gas, petrochemical, power plant as a supervisor, engineering and construction company work experience in Middle East is preferred. Skills and knowledge: tank farm, utility and process area, flare area construction inspection, MV and LV substation, remote interface building, emergency diesel generator. Second job, QC Inspector Mechanical, salary in USD 2322 per month. In Indian currency it is nearly 1,60,000 per month. Diploma in mechanical engineer major, certificate related to mechanical disciplines, minimum 8 years experience, inspection in oil and gas, petrochemical or power plant as a supervisor, experience in rotating equipment, technical knowledge and familiarity with related international codes and standards in particular discipline, able to check that suitable and appropriate inspection and test tools are used, investigate and analyze non-conformities and observations and figuring out solutions, capability of planning and controlling inspection for medium scale projects, example zero point 0.5 to 1.5 billion dollars projects. Skills and knowledge: quality management, QA QC planning, quality audit, QC execution, communication, quality training, client management, subcontractor management, problem solving, document control, reports preparation. Please inform your friends and colleagues for the same. Thank you, Mr. Vinayak. Ambe International, Worli, Mumbai. Client interview on 22nd September 2021. Interview location Ambe International, Mumbai. Positions: block and plaster mason, steel fixer, shuttering carpenter, civil helper. Candidates should have 3 years plus relevant experience. Shortlisting in progress. Interested candidates, please email your CV on civil@indianpersonal.com. You could call WhatsApp, phone numbers available. Make sure date of interview and location. Yeah, this is Ambe International, Bahrain. Large requirement openings for leading MEP and civil construction company. Final client interview in Bhubaneswar on 24th September 2021 at Rita Manpower Consultancy Private Limited, Kandagiri, Bhubaneswar, Varisha. Positions: shuttering carpenter, steel fixer, mason, civil helper, change hand, scaffolder, structural welder, building electrician, assistant electrician, JCB operator, heavy or light driver, load all operator. Candidates should have 3+ years of experience, Gulf experience preferred. Email your CV on civil@indianpersonal.com. Phone numbers is very clear. Yeah, another one, hiring Matangi Industries company. They are hiring assistant manager, executive maintenance, executive QA, executive store, officer safety, technician instrument, electrician. Qualification experience is very clear. Candidates from Ahmedabad location will be preferred. We will see one time their website now. Yes, this is the Matangi official website. Current openings. Posted 1 week ago. Vatva, Ahmedabad. These are all positions available. You can apply desired position through the Matangi Industries website. Yes, another one, Vignan School, Kukatpalli, Hyderabad. Following positions: Executive Director 2 lakhs, Accounts Manager 1.5 lakh, Principal and Vice Principal 1 lakh, Subject Experts 70,000, Teachers 40,000, System Administrator 30,000, Admission Counselor 35,000, Others 30,000. Walk-in interview on 19th September 2021 between 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Nizampet, Kukatpalli, Hyderabad. These are all following phone numbers. Another one. Dear all, Asian Paints Vizag is looking for candidates for below mentioned positions. Location Achutapuram, Vizag. Positions Senior Executive Mechanical 5 positions. 3 years experience. Expected package 10 lakhs. Second one, Senior Executive Instrumentation 2 positions. 3 years experience. Expected package 10 lakhs. Executive Stores 0 to 5 years experience, preferred for MBA or MCOM with a relevant explore. Relevant explores, relevant experience, preferred for MBA or MCOM with relevant candidates. Package 6 lakhs. Please refer relevant profile to shivprasad.evvn@asiapaints.com, niharika.k@asiapaints.com. Note: this is validity till 30th September 2021 and avoid phone calls. Yes. Yeah, another one. Tata Consulting Engineers Limited. This is the website. We will see their website. Yeah, Tata Consultant Engineers Limited. Position name, education qualification, experience, location, closing date is very clear. Number of positions 20. Click on the position, new window will open. Send your desired position through the Tata Consulting Engineers Limited website. They will call you within the 1 week after closing the position date. That's all, my dear friends. Thank you very much. That's all, my dear friends. See you again with more latest job opportunities. Jai Hind. Have a great day.